If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install iOS 17 beta right now. It is possible for any Apple device user to install iOS 17 beta right now, without paying for an Apple developer account, but it's not recommended. Due to a recent change that Apple made to the Apple Developer Program, technically speaking, anyone with an Apple ID can enroll that Apple ID to become a developer, without paying for the annual membership, and gain access to the iOS 17 beta and iPadOS 17 beta right now, along with the macOS Sonoma beta too. All you need to do is go to https://developer.apple.com/in Safari, log in with your Apple ID, and enroll in the developer program, then go to the download page. You do not need to pay for the developer membership just to gain access to the iOS 17 developer beta or iPadOS 17 developer beta. Once you enroll the Apple ID in the developer program, you can go to Settings and then to General. At General, go to Software Update, and then tap on Beta and choose iOS 17 Developer Beta or iPadOS 17 Developer Beta, and immediately be able to download the iOS 17 Beta or iPadOS 17 Beta. It's important to remember that developer beta builds are early beta releases that are typically quite buggy and incomplete, and, as the name implies, are intended for developers. Many features may not work as intended or work at all. There can be significant components of the operating system or major apps that do not work. Some features that used to work may not work in the betas. You may encounter compatibility issues with other apps, and other apps may not work at all. If you're not a developer and you're simply curious about new features and what the experience of running new iOS 17 or iPadOS 17 is like, your best bet is to wait for the public beta. The iOS 17 public beta and iPadOS 17 public beta is set to begin in July, and that public beta release should be more stable, but it's still a beta and function better than the early developer beta builds. Anyone can enroll to participate in the public beta program by going to https://beta.apple.com/sp/beta program on their device. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 apps.